All right, so we just set up WordPress on our domain, and now we are going to set up our email address and our Google account that is going to be linked to that email address. So go ahead and head over to the client area, and you'll see a link on the left that says login to Webmail. Go ahead and click that. And then you're going to put in the email address that we created in the cPanel, and then put in the password that you set and hit login. And now we are going to choose Roundcube as our default viewer for our webmail. And then go ahead and click on the little settings icon and click widescreen. And that will give us a better layout so we can view our emails. Now go ahead, open up a new tab and open up accounts.google.com. And here we are going to click the create an account button, and we will manage a business. Now, rather than creating an actual Gmail account, we're going to use our current email address, the one we created in the cPanel. So go ahead and click the use my current email address instead. And then we can put in our first name, our last name, and our email address. And then you will choose a password. I always like to keep them the same. And then go ahead and click next. You will get an email, and so go ahead and click back over to the webmail, hit refresh. You're going to get an email from Google, and inside that email you will see a 6-digit code. Copy that and then head back over to Google and paste it in there. And then you will have to verify your phone number. So go ahead and put in your phone number. Here I've masked my number for privacy. And then it will send you a text message where you will then verify that code that gets sent over to you. And then go ahead and put in a birthday and a gender. And you can either opt in or you can skip it. Go ahead and click those blue arrows down. Feel free to read all those. Click I agree. And there we have created your Google account.